Yo. Hey, Shalom, Most High Christ bless. Officer Israel here. Hey, we at the Family and Friends Day. IUIC Louisville, IUIC Lexington. A lot of people brought their families out. They got to see another side of us. Another side of the Israelites, you know, because we be out there on the streets, you know, bringing the word out, you know, seeing that they saying we be yelling at the people and things of that nature. But they come over, they see us laughing, joking, having a good time. You know, that's what it's about. It's about family. You know, our leadership, our bishop always say, hey, to build a strong nation, it starts with strong families. So it's all about coming together and having that unity and building that family bond, all right? So all praise to the Most High. Hey, all praises to the Most High. That's it. All praise to the Most High.
Shalom, Most High in Christ bless. IUIC Louisville and IUIC Lexington came together for a Family and Friends Day. Many family and friends came out and we enjoyed ourselves to the fullest. The word went out, many games were played, many people were edified.
All praise to the Most High. And with that, we say, Shalom! Yeah!
We here to stay. Many mansions, how we get to this place. Follow the signs, look at the gates. Name on the list, don't be late. Guys on earth, we here to stay. Many mansions, how we get to this place. Follow the signs, look at the gates. Name on the list, don't be late. I wanna live forever. How long forever? I wanna live forever.